To the women now, as the West Indies get set to leave the Caribbean for their tour of Pakistan next month and the 2022 World Cup qualifiers, lead selector Anne Brown-John says the players selected to make the trip are focused on the task at hand. Here's Renata Brown.
After a humbling 4-1 defeat to South Africa in their one-day international series in September, the West Indies will now turn their attention to 3 games in Pakistan ahead of their World Cup qualifiers in Zimbabwe. Speaking at a press conference, lead selector Anne Brown-John says there are some objectives listed for the Pakistan series.
There would be 2 things I would think that we are looking for. One, we defeated Pakistan in the series at home, and we will hope to do that again. And if we do that, it will be a positive going into the qualifier, where Pakistan is one of the teams that would also be hoping to qualify. So it should give us a bit of confidence when we have to play against Pakistan. And it is always great having a series win before you go into a qualifier.
Brown-John also welcomed the return of Shemaine Campbell after injury and captain Stephanie Taylor, who missed the series against South Africa after being a close contact of a positive COVID-19 case.
As I said before, it's very important. I mentioned both persons before, and I said it's very important for the team. Remember, Stephanie is the captain of the team. She's the leader, and she was not there for the past series. So they now have the captain back. And we know the ability of Stephanie Taylor, both in batting and bowling. So she brings her strength to both areas. So that will be strength in both areas. And as we said just now, Campbell has come back looking as good or even better than she was for the time that she wasn't here.
The West Indies women's lead selector also spoke highly of young Jamaican Rashada Williams, who has been selected for her first major championship.
She is one of the young ones, so I've said repeatedly, that has shown herself, has put her hands up, and now we are hoping that she can make an impression on the team. We know that our batting has always not been as strong as we would like it to, so we are hoping that Rashada goes from strength to strength, but what we have seen so far has been very good.
The West Indies women are due to arrive in Pakistan on November 1. The team will travel directly to Zimbabwe after the series for the ICC Women's World Cup qualifier from November 21 to December 5. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.